In other news, retired soldiers were again treated to a much-needed health care. The free medical and dental services were provided by the PhilVets Group. Christine Santos with added details.
Retired AFP officials and war veterans living in Barangay West Rembo, Makati once again received medical health care. One of them was a member of Philippine Civic Action Group named Carlos, who were assigned to Vietnam before. A smile was what he offered after receiving this free medical service given by PhilVets Filipino War Veterans Group. 88-year-old Pedro, on the other hand, is still hopeful to get additional pension from PVAU.
Nung nasa Vietnam ako kasi, doon ako nagkaroon ng sakit na itong pa ako, peroneal muscle atrophy. Kaya noong 1975, na-complete disability ako sa AFP.
Kung saan napapagaling ang pagpapagamot dito sa OSMA, yan dito rin. Nakahingi naman tayo ng gamot dito ngayon.
Aside from free consultation, PhilVets also offered ECG, fasting random blood sugar test, bone density test, and many others. Free wheelchairs and canes were also given to veterans who have difficulty walking. The PhilVets admitted it wasn't easy to collect funds for this mission, which usually worth almost 150,000 pesos. However, the group after day's service felt delighted, seeing the veterans' smiles and happy faces.
Nakabigay tayo ng mga wheelchair, so ito po ay parang sanayan na natin. We have already a good organization na parang sinasabing ang automatic na ang pag-react natin at paggawa natin at madali na lang yung ating coordination dahil na nasanay na yung mga doktor, nasanay na yung mga health workers.
For People's Television Network, Christine Santos.